Now this is a 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD, and this is optional equipment. So it's like a split tailgate, right? But you've got two buttons, and you do want to make sure the truck is unlocked. So we'll use the remote to do that. And the conventional tailgate will release and lower just like that. So these are on dampers, so they don't slam down. It also is very easy to shut. But the multi-flex part is this top section. So you've got a button here that releases the top half of the tailgate. Okay. Now the cool way to show it, you just want to make sure there's no ball on your hitch here, but you'd hit both buttons at the same time. There we go. And you can see it splits and lowers at the same time. Then you also have this third part. It's like a step. So this is a sold truck, so I'm not going to step into it. But there's a non-skid pattern right here. So it's designed for you to step up. And you have a handle. And this is like full steel. This isn't, there's nothing flimsy. It was used on this. And so like you can legit pull yourself up in this thing. And this very easily goes back into place with this little trigger right here, and just stows away nice and neat. Now this tailgate, I see a lot of people trying to raise the tailgate back with like this really awkward, like doing this thing, and then it gets really awkward right here. The easiest way to do it is when it's fully deployed is just step to the side, grab it here, and it's so easy to put back into place. And now you can see like some additional features of this stop. So this acts as a load stop, so you can see like from this angle, you can have long pieces of lumber or plywood or whatever, and this is going to keep it from like just flying off. You can also use it as like a tabletop. Now this is a pretty tall truck, and I'm not like super tall, but 1500s, 2500s, 3500s, you can all get them equipped with this multi-flex, and so this is a great little platform to work off of. It can also act as a stop for long cargo as well. And then obviously you just put it right back into place like that. So the other thing that what I like about it too is when you've got it split and you're loading stuff in the back, just that extra, whatever this is, 8 inches or so, it's just so much more easier than trying to do it from here. Like it's just a lot more strain on the back and etc. So a lot of cool things about the multi-flex tailgate.